Hey everyone, a really simple video. Air filters, air filters, your engine needs to breathe clean air. It needs to breathe, number one, and it needs clean air. Not air full of dirt and you know what. Clean? Just keep that in mind, clean. The old way we used to check air filters is like put it up to the sun or put a lead light behind it and you could see whether the light was shining through or not. But these ones, they're quite different and it's you can't really do that. So you change it by schedule, you have a look at it, see how dirty it is. But I want to show you a reason why this one certainly needs changing, and careful who you let work on your car once again. There's a lot of debris down in there. You can see all that start building up. This sort of air filter, this would be good for an off-road day trip. So you can wash air filters as well. I've demonstrated that. We've got a playlist there, air filters and cleaning them, or air filters and stuff like that. But see the damage to this seal because somebody hasn't even put it in correctly. That's not good. We'll just have a look at that in a minute. But yeah, you could wash this. Use the nappy sand, it'll come up pretty clean. You can reuse it if you want, but at least you could reuse it for those off-road dusty day trips. You know those trips where you follow the cars in front of you too close? You insist on sitting in the dust instead of just backing off, getting out of the dust? Yep, there's your little hint right there. Anyway, right now, when you put the air filter in, you've got to make sure you carefully place it in the box. That's why it's good to put some lubrication on the seal, grease, whatever, helps it slip in and helps it seal, but not so much the seal, but helps it slip in so this doesn't happen. Someone's probably put this in, it's not sitting in right, or they've gone to put the lid on as well, or I don't know what they've done really, but we see this a lot. This isn't sealing, so you've just got dust going straight in the engine, because this is obviously the dirty side. You would normally get dust and dirt all the way up to there, but not past this seal. Now, I don't know for sure whether dust got past this seal or not and how much, but it's risky. Now, obviously the seal's meant to sit like that, but it's been squashed in the wrong position a long time now, and chances that you're going to be able to get that in, if they couldn't do it the first time and get it to stay there, it's not going to happen now, is it? So this is now rubbish, goes in the bin, and you get yourself a new one. We recommend genuine parts for the air filter. We keep it on the shelf. If you're going off-road or not, maybe it's a good idea, or maybe you need to check out my videos on K&N filters, because this exercise could get expensive. The genuine ones we've got on the shelf if you want one. That's what we use, unless you've specifically said I would like to upgrade to a K&N filter because I like better filtration and I don't want to waste my money. All right guys, quick video, subscribe, turn the bell on, and we'll catch you on the next one. Check out the air filter and cleaning the playlist, and search my channel for K&N filter information for the real information on the ground for many years, real world experience. Thanks for watching. Catch ya.